How to listen music together on Spotify. Let's get started. Launch your Spotify app. Here we go. You'll land to the home page. Now go ahead and open the music that you want to listen together. Once you open it, now at the bottom left you'll find this icon. Click on it. With that, different options will appear. You'll see the option of select another device. Along with that, you will see the option of start a remote group session. You have to click on that option. This option is only available for the Spotify premium users. If you're not a premium user, you have to upgrade your Spotify to the premium version and then you will get access to this option. Clicking on that option, group session will start. And then you can invite your friends to join to that group session, and with that you will be able to listen music together. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can listen music together on Spotify. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.